In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check muted emails in Gmail. If you've ever muted an email conversation to keep your clutter down, or perhaps to avoid constant notifications, you might be wondering how to check back on those emails once in a while. Whether it's to catch up on a thread you've muted, or simply to ensure you haven't missed crucial information tucked away in those communications, I'll guide you through this process step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Open up your preferred web browser and go to Gmail's homepage. Once you're in, observe the layout of your inbox. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar, which is essentially your control panel for navigating through your email. Now, to find those muted emails, we'll want to utilize the search functionality in Gmail. At the top of your inbox, you'll find a search bar. This is where you can input various commands and labels to sift through your emails efficiently. For muted emails, simply type "is muted" into the search bar and hit enter. This command tells Gmail to pull up all the emails that you've chosen to mute in the past. Once you execute this search, the list of results presented will only consist of your muted conversations. If your inbox is particularly busy, or if you muted a conversation a while back, this search feature can be invaluable for quickly finding what you're looking for. Say you've found an email that you need to revisit or rejoin the conversation, you'll want to know how to unmute it. Click on the email to open it. In the top right corner of this open email, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More menu in Gmail. Click on it, and you'll see an option called Unmute. Clicking this will unmute the conversation, meaning it will now appear in your regular inbox, and you will receive notifications for it again. It's that simple. Lastly, for those who may handle a high volume of emails daily, consider labeling emails before muting them. Applying a label will allow emails to be easily filtered when you unmute and help manage and navigate through your inbox more effectively. And there you have it. Now you know how to seamlessly find and manage your muted emails in Gmail, ensuring that you stay on top of your important conversations while keeping your notifications under control. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.